Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're good. I'm good as well. Welcome back again to Tech and Engineering here. If you're not yet a subscriber to this channel, kindly we request you to be part of this growing channel. In this channel we share about technology and engineering, okay? So in this video we're going to talk about the Arduino programming. We're going to have an overview on the Arduino IDE. As you can see here on the Arduino IDE. The reason why I want to talk about this because I realized even it's not just beginners, even non-beginners, some intermediates, they sometimes run into unanticipated or unexpected problems in the Arduino IDE. Okay, so these are the Arduino IDE look like. So you can see by default, once you open a new sketch, you get these two functions, the void setup and the void loop. So we're going to talk about this later. So let's start talking about some very key stuffs here, especially this tool. Okay, we have the file. This way you can open a new sketch, or you can open a saved sketch. You have the examples here. If you want to see some examples here, they're here. Okay, all of them have the advanced, have the preferences, these preferences. Yeah, you can download some board, like for the SPH2A6. Most of the time you have to install it manually, so you just go to GitHub and get the URL, and then you copy paste here, and then you install this body. So actually, okay, let me just expand. So yeah, this is where you can install a board library. Okay, some of the board libraries that you use here, they are not always automatically installed. So if you find a board that's not automatically installed in this IDE, you come and copy paste its URL here. You can find it anywhere. You can Google search it, go to GitHub and get the URL of that board. Like in this case, you can see this SPH266. You copy paste it here, and then you click OK. And once you do that, once you get to the board manager, you find that board there, and you just install it. For other bodies, they are always automatically installed. So in this case, because we are in Arduino IDE, most of the Arduino boards are automatically installed. However, we most of the time use the Arduino IDE to program other non-Arduino boards like the SP32, SP266. So we have the edit. This one is rarely used, maybe. We have the sketch here. Under the sketch, you can see one of the most utilized element of this sketch here. Let's go here and include library. So for example, we as well with the libraries, just like the boards, some of the libraries are not automatically appear in the library manager. So to fix that, you have to come to the to include library, and then you add it manually. Okay, so you add a zip. So you download. So you download the library manual from wherever, and then you come here, include zip, and then of course you locate where that library is, and then you automatically get it. Then this add file, this as well, something when you're adding a file, an Arduino file, okay, to your project. Okay, then the most important here is these tools here. Okay, we have the, so under this I'll also touch on the most important, the boards. Using this, the board. So the board manager, if you go to the board manager, for example, this is where now you install other foreign boards that you want to program using the Arduino IDE. For example, if it's ASP-2, you come here and just search that. You come and search the board, like for the ASP that you can see it's already installed, so you can update it. Something like the SP8266 as well. It's already here. It's already installed. Okay. Okay, so once you install your board, they will appear here. Like in this case, I don't have 3 boards installed. I have the Arduino boards, I have the SP32, and I have the SP8266. Now, another important thing here is the port. This one here below, the port. So you can see the port is not active. So once you connect your microcontroller, the hardware, okay? Once you connect this hardware, for example, like this one here, once you connect it through the cable to your PC, this one will automatically now. So this is also a very, very critical area or critical part where many problem arises from. So you need to connect the correct port. Most of the time, once you connect your hardware to the PC, you connect the board to the PC, this one will be automatically detected. However, most of the time you have to go to the device manager here. You go to the device manager of your PC. The reason why this is very important because it's not always, okay, especially when you. So once you connect that, you can easily confirm the device connected by coming here. So that port will appear below this one, okay? It will always appear down here, and then you come here and select it. You select that port. Once you select that port, it's going to be down here. You can see SP32 module on COM7 mode connect, because I previously used an SP32 board where I was building a project here. So still. And then another important thing here that you need to understand. So this one, this one. So another thing here that you need to understand here is the upload speed. This one is very important. Okay. Most of the time you ensure this upload speed. Ensure the upload speed here matches the boundary that you set here in the code. Okay. Also, sometimes you find issue with uploading the code, so just come here and adjust the upload speed. Maybe like by default, most of the time they use this one 11.5200, but you can see I used this previously because I had an issue with this. Okay. Another tip here that can also help you fix some upload issues is the flash frequency. Okay, especially for the SP8266. For the SP8266, some of the boards won't upload with 80 megahertz. However, they will upload with 40 megahertz. Okay. Another thing here is flash size. Flash size you should ensure is always 4 MB, that's 2 MB. This one you should ensure. So these are the very key settings that you need to ensure for proper code upload. Otherwise, I'm thinking this, okay. The programmer, okay. This is also another thing that can hinder code upload. So ensure you select the right programmer for that board. But most of the time this is automatically detected, but not all the time. Okay, sometimes you may upload the code and tell you no programmer found. So you have to come here and select the right programmer for that particular body. Okay. Another thing here about let's go here. Manage libraries. So the library manager here, the library manager here, this is where you come here and install all the libraries that you need for your project. For example, let me show you here. And this, for example, you can see these are the libraries. Okay, these are the libraries that I needed for this particular project. So all these libraries are found in the library manager. So you come in the library manager and search whatever library you want. Just search here. Now, for example, it's a temperature sensor DH11, DH22. Come here and just here have them. You install your libraries. Okay. Now there's something I want to talk about here in the library manager. Sometimes the library that you want, even with searching, you might search the library here. You might use all the keywords that you know about that library, but still you won't get that library. Okay, still you won't get that library. So you might search everything here, you search, and you still won't get it. So in such a case, this is what you do. So you go to your, if you don't get a library here, go to your browser and then search that library. Let's say, for example, DHT, something like that. Get it, go to this GitHub, go there, download the zip file. Okay, so let's see, something like that. I'm just showing you. Get there. Okay, so you can see. So we need to download the zip file of this. Okay. So just come here, click here, so you can see we have there. So you download this. Once you download this, so you should go to your download folder. Okay. then come back to your IDE, then come here, include library. Okay, so come here, include library, add zip, then you access that downloaded library here. Okay, it will be in the download folder. So once you select it and then you click open, then you come back here and search it. Once you search it, it should be appear in the search. Okay, just like that. Then you install it. That's very, very, it might look simple, but something that usually frustrate a lot of people. Okay, so in the next video, guys, I hope you have subscribed. In the next video, I'm going to talk about now the programming here, because we could not overlook this very important, because even if you write the best code here in this IDE, you compile it, it's very okay. Without getting these stuffs right, you won't upload that code. Actually, in some instances, you might even destroy the board. Yes, you might destroy the board, not permanently, but you might temporarily destroy the board, and it will even frustrate you more. You might not even upload. You might spend the whole day trying, and nothing is going to happen. So it's very important to get these things right before moving to coding. So in the next video, we are going to start coding here. We're going to talk about everything, the functions here. You see what it's done and what we do.